Adding an automated gate opener with integrated security features transforms access control and convenience for new home construction. Choose a gate opener rated for your gate type and weight and match it to the site conditions. For swing gates, pick a torque and arm length that handle the gate leaf weight plus wind and ice loads. For sliding gates, size the motor to overcome rolling resistance and gate weight. Pair the opener with a keypad and camera intercom at a safe viewing distance so visitors can be verified before entry, and mount the intercom at eye level with a weatherproof housing. Integrate the opener with your smart home system using a local network bridge so you maintain direct control and logging even if cloud services change. And use secure passwords and two-factor authentication on accounts where available. Include a battery backup size to run typical daily cycles for at least 24 hours, and consider solar charging for remote sites. Place batteries in ventilated, temperature-stable enclosures. Add presence-sensing edges, photocells, and force limiting so the gate stops or reverses on contact and prevents injury, and provide a clearly marked manual release that is accessible but secured against casual tampering. Verify equipment wiring is in underground conduit with conduit sweeps at hinges, and use surge protection on power lines to protect electronics. Homeowners often undersize the opener for actual gate loads, which leads to frequent motor strain. Correct by measuring gate weight and factoring environmental loads, and choose a heavier duty model. A second common issue is poor intercom or camera placement that creates blind spots or audio problems. Fix this by testing sightlines from the intended vehicle stop and using wide dynamic range cameras with a microphone shield. Finally, many installations skip battery backup and solar, which leaves gates inoperable during outages. Include a battery system sized for expected cycles and a means to monitor battery health remotely. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors who can quote and install gate openers and security add-ons, and we help contractors find jobs in their area. We also host a discussion community where we share project experiences, installer recommendations, and practical tips so homeowners and tradespeople can learn from each other